am welcoming you all once again to this channel. Today I am going to make a video on this VESTA software, how we can make a parallel plane using this software, that we will see in this video. So here, as you can see, I have already opened one postcard file in our VESTA software. So this is a unit cell for this particular structure, and first I will make a supercell so that we can visualize our planes in a better version. And so I am transforming the entire matrix to a 2 by 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, yes, then apply. Okay, so now this is a supercell of the same unit cell which I have opened earlier. Now we can try to make a plane. So here I am going to add a new, and here not only this 100 plane, because this is very simple plane, so I want to take 110 plane here. And now you can see this is our 110 plane, so we can see it from various angles. Yeah, you can see it from here, that in through which atom this plane is passing through. Let me align it like this. Yes, so you can see that this plane has been passed through some carbon atoms, some other atoms as well, but in this phase it is showing as carbon. So okay, now to make a parallel plane, we know that we can simply we can simply come to down, or go up above this plane, so that we can find another periodic such kind of periodic plane. To find such a periodic plane, we can go ahead and go down, and we can multiply this plane with some other integer like 2 3, like we have done 110, we can also do 220 like that. But here we will see how to pick 3 atoms and make a parallel plane from that. Okay, so first we need to see like what will be the periodicity. So if our plane is passing through this layer, so next plane we want to pass through this layer. Okay, so this layer, so it will be also become periodic with this for this particular lattice. So in order to make another parallel plane, I am going to choose 3 such atoms. So then press your shift, then press enter. So this one, and this one, these 3 atoms I have selected. Now I am going to create another plane from these 3 atoms. Go to lattice planes, then new, and here there is an option like calculate the best plane for the selected atom. So I am clicking over here. Now you see, okay, let's see that these planes are now parallel or not. Yes, you can see that these 2 planes are now parallel to each other. And we can also confirm this from here. You can see that these 2 planes are presenting 110 and 110 plane only. That means both of the plane are same, like they are parallel planes, and there is no such angle difference between them. Okay, so this way we can make some parallel plane. Initially, if you want to design this plane, first you can draw one plane, then further one you can draw by selecting certain atoms, and like that we can do. So this much for today's session, and thank you all.